Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlamini News. So guys, this episode starts off with Unjengaye. He is in Ekamereni lika Qaphelani, or rather the room that Qaphelani was using at the hospital. Obviously the bed is empty because Qaphelani akasekho. He has passed away, you guys, and Unjengaye is just looking at the bed. I guess there is still some sort of love there, because I mean Qaphelani was Unjengaye's relative, you guys, but you can see Unjengaye is in disbelief, and then that scene just ends like that. Next scene ke we see uVuma ke busekuseni ulele embhedeni while uSamke uhleli ngempundi, you guys. She is sitting with her buttocks on the bed. So uVuma wakes up and is wondering but what's going on, because are you not supposed to be sleeping? So uVuma then says hayibo yini. uSamke then says yilento kaVelephi, she's pushing me to my limit ngempela. uVuma then says, kodwa sizoyithini indaba kaVelephi? And then uSamke then says, yazi ngiya-understanda ukuthi ingane zinawo amalungelo to express ama-feelings wabo when something's bothering them. Nami ngiyakhumbula ngisakhula, I used to get angry, kodwa yena mekakhuluma into ephuma emlonyeni yengane yakho. uVuma then says, mantombela, uyamazi uVelephi ukuthi she's the type to react quickly. And then uLokuzana uSamke then says ukuthi ayipheleli lapho ke, that's not all. uVuma then says ukuthi okunye phela ukuthi like usanda kushonela unina, so she's still grieving. uSamke then says ukuthi ziningi ingane ezishonele uma bazo, kodwa nje into ephuma emlonyeni kaVelephi, hi, those kids abashonyele umawa abomawazo, they say half of the things that come out of uVelephi's mouth. uSamke goes on to say ukuthi yazi ngisakhumbula ngikhula, there was a girl in my street obokuthiwa uNtombizodwa. Beyifana nje noVelephi nje leya ntombazana. One day ke leya ntombazana she snapped. Next thing umuzi wakibo was in flames. uVuma sits up and is shocked. uSamke goes on to say ukuthi washisa yonke into leya ntombazana endlini, yonke into phakathi endlini wayishisa. uVuma then says, hayi Samke, angibona ukuthi kuyofika lapho kuVelephi. uSamke then says, hayi sithandwa sami, angisho ukuthi kuzofika lapho. I was just telling you what happened and that we should be cautious, yabo. ukuthi noVelephi she can just snap anytime. uVuma then says ukuthi hayi kodwa Samke uzama ukuthi uVelephi. uSamke then says, esithandwa sami, angeke size sazi, and khona into okumele uyazi ukuthi iBhayibheli lithi asilwi ngenyama negazi, kodwa silwa nani? Nemimoya emibi. uVuma then says, kodwa Nkosi yami. uSamke then says ukuthi yazi sithandwa sami, bengisacabanga ukuthi ngeke kusibulale ukuya kwababa umsize, athi ukubhekabheka nje laphayana kancane before things get out of hand, because asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kwamanje. Guys, did not uLokuzana uDeliwe also go to ubaba umsiza? uSamke wants to take this route yokuhlola and whatnot. Mina angazi. uVuma goes on to say kodwa kusesekuseni Samke ukuthi siyovusa ubaba umsiza. Mina bengifisa ukuthi ngihlale naye phansi ngikhulume naye uVelephi. uSamke then says, okay sithandwa sami, kodwa ungakhohlwa ukhumbule lesa story sika Ntombizodwa. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, mina angazi ukuthi uVuma maybe uslow or whatnot. Why do these women play with him kanjalo? Like he doesn't see and sense anything. I can't. Next scene, we see uPhakamani, guys. He is at some restaurant, Iyaphuza laphayana, with a whole lot of girls. I don't know who's those girls, but anyway, he's giving another girl ishot laphayana. He's like, mina, aspuzen. 1, 2, 3. They busy drinking shots laphayana. Next thing, he's telling the waiter, let you try la wena, how? Sheshisa, shouting, guys. Next thing, we see uWenzo coming in. uWenzo's like, hayibo Phakamani wenzani? uPhakamani's like, ubaba kasekho, awume wena Wenzo. Wenzel's like, Aibo, telling the waiter, which we don't need any more drinks, siyabonga. At this point, the girls who are with uPhakamani are looking at him, and people in the restaurant are looking at him because he's causing commotion there. So anyway, he looks at those girls, he's like, yini ningibhekani? Wenzel's like, Phakamani. uPhakamani then says, yebo sisi, the party is over. Niphuza imali yami, bese ningibuka kanjalo, Nizidakelwa ngemali yami bese ningibuka kanjalo, niyangidakelwa mina. Then the ladies just stand up because obviously they can see ukuthi vibe is off and stuff like that. So they're about to leave. uWenzel's like, hambani bengicela ukuthi nihambele nje nimshiye. uPhakamani is like, niyaphi? Niphuza imali yami bese niyahamba. Lethani utshwala bami. Bushiyeni utshwala bami obami lotshwana. uWenzel's like, Phakamani yini kodwa yini? Like, why wenza umsindo drama engaka? uPhakamani is like, yini mfethu, how? Bahamba notshwala bami wena uyabayeka. Then the waitress comes over. She's trying to calm the situation. uWenzel takes out money out of his pocket to pay the waitress. He's like, please keep the change. The waitress is like, because he's causing drama lana. uWenzel's like, okay. uPhakamani is still drunk there. He's like, ushonile ubaba. uWenzel's like, Phakamani. uPhakamani is like, ushonile ubaba Wenzel. uWenzel's like, Phakamani, hlala phansi. He holds uPhakamani and is like, Phakamani lalela. Understand isimo odlula kusona ukuthi asikho lula, all right? Kodwa ngiyacela mfowethu, stop making a scene and let's go home njengamanje, okay? And then the scene just ends like that. Moments later, we see the same Kwenzo. He is in his apartment. No Sibongile, we know which Usibongile is staying with him for the time being. So Usibongile is making a sandwich for him. So Kwenzo's like, yazi ubaba uQaphelani passed away and angazi ukuthi ngifile kanjani. Usibongile then says, uzizwa uphatheke kabi. uKwenzo's like, yeah, of course ngiphatheke kabi Sibongile. Angazi ukuthi ngimzila kanjani umuntu that I suddenly feel like bengingamazi all this time. Izolo lokhu Sibongile bengimbiza ngobaba umkhulu. Manje mele ngimbize angazi. As he's talking like that, uPhakamani angene. I guess iPapalaza is worn off because he seems sober at this point. So uPhakamani says ukuthi umbiza ngobaba. Angithi wakhula umbiza ngobaba vele. Yini eshintshile manje? uWenzel then says, yeah, kodwa Phakamani. uPhakamani is like, kodwa ini? Yini ekakayo lapho? And then uWenzel then says, Phakamani, nami mfethu ngididekile, okay? Asenze kanje. Just imagine wena izolo ebusuku ulale and everything was fine. And ubaba wakho is uQaphelani. Then ekseni uthi uyavuka nje, your father is unjengaye. Ungazizwa kanjani wena? uPhakamani then says kuthiwa lisilunge ekhanda lakho manje. Uwakhohliwe amasiko Kwenzo. uQaphelani uyihlo, zilela uyihlo. Especially now that he's with amaThonga, you need to honor his passing. Asingenzi ingathi unjengayo nguye yedwa owakhulisayo, ngoba ubaba bekakhona sonke lesi sikhathi angithi. Kwenzo just keeps quiet. Ulokhuzana uPhakamani then says, "Ngikhuluma nawe ngibheke." And then uKwenzo looks at him. And then uPhakamani then says, "Zilela uyihlo." Siyezwana. uKwenzo just says, yeah, ngiyawuza mfethu. uPhakamani then says, even if the truth hadn't come out, bowuzomngcwaba ngenhlonipho as ubaba wakho mdala ngithi. Asenzo njalo ke. How? And then he takes the food that Usibongile was making for uKwenzo and he just walks out kanjani. Usibongile is left again alone with uKwenzo and then she says, ngiyazi ukuthi yonke lento ayikho lula Kwenzo. Ngiyaxolisa ukusho kodwa your brother is right. You've always had as many fathers as your grandfather had many sons. It's just that some just live their lives closer to you than others. And then uKwenzo's like, yeah, ngiyawuzwa Sibongile. Usibongile then says, yonke lento ayishintshe lutho Kwenzo. uKwenzo then says, esh, and then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, kwaDlamini mansion, guys, uPhetheni uhleli embhedeni, guys, uyagowa. uMavis is having a conversation with him. So uMavis says, ngiyazi ukuthi kuningi osemqondweni wakho njengamanje. uPhetheni sips her wine and then she says, ngabe ngikuphi ngaphandle kwakho Mavis? Yazi amadoda akasithandi Mavis, hey? And then uMavis then says, uqonda ukuthini ma'am? uPhetheni then says, uQaphelani. Uhambile wangishiya nayo yonke le mess. fanele ngiphendulane nemibuzo left, right and center. Umam V then says, yane, ibhlungu yona mem angifuni ungasho. Uphethen then says ukuthi angimazi ukuthi bekakhulumelani. You could have just left nale mfihlo nje. Mavis then says ukuthi awucabangi madam ukuthi bekafuna ukuvula indlela yakhe ukuze azohamba ngokuthula. Uphethen then says ahambe ngokuthula mina ngishiyeke nale chaos. Where is the peace lapho? In all of this, where is the peace? Umuzi wami uyabhidlika, ukwenza afuni lutho ezongihlanganisa naye, yonke into nje iyimess. Yane, ebe selfish nje. He was very selfish. Mavis then says, madam, uzorula kodwa. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, I kind of feel the same way as Uphethen, that maybe Papelani was selfish. Imagine he revealed such a bomb like that, and then it just passes away. Like, I feel like he got away scot-free, and now Uphethen is left in this mess because Wenzel's obviously going to want some sort of answers. Anyway, next scene, Uvelephi Kashi is speaking with Usipho, telling Usipho ukuthi, listen, angisakhoni shem, I can't stay in that house anymore because usamke. Like this game ayidlalayo ngiyambona ukuthi unonya, and if I know what's good for me, I'm going to move away from her. So mina ngiyaphuma laphayana, I'm moving out of the house. Sipho, I need you to find me a place. Usipho then says ukuthi yazi my love, if ungayiphenda ngenye indlela nje u-Ansamke, she's actually a good person. Uvelephi then says, of course when I uzosho kanjani because u-aunt wakho. Kodwa mina, all I know is that mina mele ngithathe ingane yami ngiphume nje endlini. A few moments later, ngempela, ulokhuzana Usipho finds a place for Uvelephi, guys. But the place yakhona, it's like a one room. Ifestele lakhona alivuleki. It's dirty, kunezitsha, indishi, phansi. And then he tells her ukuthi sithanda sami ngicabanga ukuthi buyela kini because le ndawo is not a place ongahlala nayo nengane. Uvelephi then says, hey, akusekho ukubuyela emuva manje. I will turn this place into a nice place. There's nothing more I can do. But Usipho tries to convince her, Uvelephi akafuna ukulalela, so there's nothing he can do. He just gives her the keys. Then later again, we see Uvelephi ngempela, she moved into the place. uManqoba is sitting on the bed, udlala namathoyisi wakhe while Uvelephi is packing. So as she's packing, next thing, the social worker comes in and she knocks. Uvelephi then says, yebo, ungangena. Then social worker angeneke. She then says, Usipho ungitshelile ukuthi ngizokuthola lana. Uvelephi then says, oh, okay, ungahlala phansi. Then the social worker says ukuthi ingabe yilona ikhaya lakho elisha leli. Uvelephi then says, yebo, sengihlala khona lana. And then the lady then says, how did things get so bad so quickly, kodwa mntanami? You know, there is nothing as important as stability. Ikakhulukazi njengoba ukhulisa ingane. Uvelephi then says, ngingakuthelela mhlambe into yokuphuza. Then the lady then says, cha ngiyabonga, angizuba mude. Ngisacela ukuthi uphendule umbuzo wami. Then ulokhuzana Uvelephi then says, usamke uyangizonda. Bekufanele ukuthi ngiphume kulowa muzi ngoba like akafiki nokufihla ukuthi akangifuni yena usamke. The lady then says, kodwa mntanami, uyayibona le ndawo ohlala kuyona? You mean ukuthi inzondo ka-stepmother sakho is so big that it would force you ukuthi uphume kini uzohlala endaweni efana nalena? Ngempela. Uvelephi then says, yazi bengicela ukubuza umbuzo owodwa nje. Owodwa nje kuphela. Wake wahlala nomama ongabuzali? And then social worker then says, Velephi mntanami. Uvelephi then says, waphinda futhi wakhuliswa ubaba ongakuzali, ongalona igazi lakho. Then the social worker then says, lalela mntanami, ngiyazi ukuthi udlule ebunzimeni obuningi. Kade nje uhlukunyezwa umyeni wakho futhi noma wakho ngalana. Uvelephi uzathi ngicela nje uyibambe khona lapho mama, ibambe nje khona lapho. Uyabona nje zonke lezi zinto ozibalayo that you just mentioned azihlangene nhlobo nalento esiyikhuluma lana. Kade nje ngadlula lapho. Ngiyazi ukuthi I just moved here kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ngizolenza libe ngcono leli kamera libukeke, ngikwazi futhi nokukhulisa ingane yami. Then the social worker then says, kodwa mntanami, nolulaka olungaka luvela kuphi ngempela? UVelaphi then says, until you've lived your life full of regrets, thinking about what you should have done differently, and cheated ngokomthwalo njengabanye abantu, uzo-understanda-ke indlela engizizwa ngayo. The social worker then goes on to say, engikwaziyo, ubaba wakho uyakhathalela Velaphi. UVelaphi says, why ngikhathalela? Akasekho kanjalo. Then she looks at the social worker. She's like, "Sesicedile la mhlambi. I have a lot to do, like Amirin." Then the social worker says, "Kulungile mntanami. If ever you want to talk, you know where to find me." And then the scene ends like that. Guys, things are not looking good for Velaphi, and I just have a feeling there might be a chance that they're gonna take this child away, because things are just getting worse and worse. Especially the fact that she just decided to move into this place. Yeah. Anyway, last scene, the Dlaminis are having a meeting. Everyone is sitting there, Wenzeni, Vusi, Themba, Koyanzo, Phetheni, and we see Umam V, Benoneli, or ushering somewhere, guys, because they want to hear ukuthi phela le meeting. What is it about? So Unjengaye angene, and he comes in with Unomfundo just sits down. So Unjengaye goes on to say, kuhleke ukubona niphelele. Lo mndeni wakwaDlamini is weighed down by a dark cloud. Ngike ngakhuluma la nonkosikazi kamfowethu. Wangitshela ukuthi they will be the ones handling umcimbi womngcwabo. As ke ubrother wami uEzwe umfowethu used to say, ngisho nasekufeni impilo meliqhubeke. Yingakho nje uNomfundo elana. Ugcina looking confused. She's like, kuzokwenzani uNomfundo lana? Unjengaye then says, uNomfundo ngimcelile ukuthi abe unkosikazi wami wesibili. Ugcina's like, hey bo, everyone is surprised. And then Unjengaye then says, angithi Nomfundo. uNomfundo just keeps quiet, you guys. Unjengaye goes on to say, so ngiyacela ukuthi nimamkele. And then the scene just ends like that. Yeah, guys, I'm just like, Unjengaye, like how can he introduce such a thing while good tense kangada? But anyway, guys, we will wait and see how things get to unfold. Let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.